guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today you're going to see how I went from this low length of hair to having a bun on my head. And as you can see from me combing my hair, you can see it's obviously short. Like, it's not shrinkage that is making my hair that short, it is actually short. So let's get to the video, guys. So after combing out my hair, I went in with Petal styling gel. Now this is one hair gel that I can vouch for any day, anytime. Even when I used to keep my hair, it's the gel I recommended for lasting baby hairs. Like, there are some, what they call that thing again? Those stuffs that, you know, that lay the baby hairs and all that stuff. Some of them don't actually last, but this Petals hair gel makes your baby hair last all day. Now, after properly massaging the hair gel into my hair, I mean like applying a generous amount of hair gel into the hair, I then comb out my hair, because with how low the length of my hair is, I need it stretched out as much as I can, you know, stretch it out. So that's the idea behind the combing. And then I just go back in with some more gel, you know, basically trying to have that really strong hold. And one thing I forgot to mention about this hair gel, or one thing I should put out about this hair gel, is that it has some amount of dye in it. So if you want your hair to have this jet black look, if on a normal day you don't have a jet black color of hair, this is your go-to hair gel, because it has the strong hold you'll be looking for, and it also has the right amount of dye in it. So basically, I'm just, you know, working my way with the gel, brushing it out with hairbrush to smoothen the look of the hair, and, you know, trying to see what ponytail I can make from my short hair. Next, I sprayed Got To Be glued hairspray on the hair. You know how you can use this hairspray as a bond, or will I say glue, for your frontal wig, and then your frontal wig will really stick to your hair. That was what I wanted. I wanted something that would, you know, that would act as a glue and, you know, bind everything together, basically, because I needed as much hold as I could get from my short hair. And after that, I applied Echo styling gel on my hair. Now, the reason I did this was for that shine. I feel Echo styling gel has this shine it gives to the hair, especially when used with Got To Be spray. Like, if you use Got To Be spray together with Echo styling gel, just try it. There's this shine it gives your hair. Like, it acts as a very strong edge control. For those that are looking for really strong edge control, like, the combination of those two is really powerful. Now, that's if you don't want to use the Petal styling gel I recommended earlier, because as much as that one gives a really strong hold, it could make the hair really hard. And now, if you don't want that but you still want that really strong hold, just make use of these two combinations I pointed out. That's Echo styling gel and Got To Be hairspray. So thank me, guys, for these options, yes, that I have pointed out in this video. Just leave a comment in the comment section for me to know you appreciate the options. So here I'm just working on the baby hairs and styling it the way I want to. So as you can see, guys, like I pointed out earlier, the Echo styling gel gave my hair the shine I was looking for. Now, after applying the Echo styling gel, I went back in with the Got To Be glued hairspray to lock in the gel. Now, to really secure the edges that the baby hairs I had made, I went in with a scarf to secure it, like I said earlier, to properly secure it. create the bun, I used Noble Gold Kinky Bulk Hair, and I just held pieces of the hair together with a rubber band. And here I am detangling and removing the excess hairs. But at the same time, I'm making sure not to detangle so much because I still want to, retain the curls of the kinky hair. So after using a rubber band to hold the hairs together, the pieces of hairs together, I used thread to tie the hairs once again because I feel, thread would hold the hairs tighter than rubber band would. After tying the hair, I held the hair by the end where I tied it, and then I turned the hair upside down like you see me do. So now it's this end that I'm going to place on the center of my head where I had, created the imaginary bun. So at this point, I'm using bobby pins now to secure the kinky hair to my natural hair. I'm sure you guys are going to be wondering how the bobby pin is able to hold the kinky hair to my head. Well, here is the trick. With all those things I added to my natural hair, that's the Got to Be Glued Spray, the Eco Styler Gel, the Petal Styling Gel, those things now really made my natural hair hard. So now it's this hardness of my hair that is holding, that the bobby pins are holding on to, you get. So the Got to Be Glued Spray really glued everything together and gave my hair that very strong texture, you get. You know how your hair would really dry up after you put in gel? So that's how dry my hair is presently, and that is how the bobby pins are able to hold the kinky hair firmly to my natural hair. And as you can see, with all the shaking and all that, the hair still isn't falling. So at this point, I'm just styling my hair as desired. Now, depending on the length of kinky hair you use to create this bun style on your head, that will determine how you're going to style your hair. For me, the Noble Kinky hair I used is really short, so I had no other option than to create a donut. Initially, I wanted to do something longer, like something that would rest on my shoulders, but then I realized my kinky hair is short and would definitely not make up for that style. So at this point, it's just to style as desired, and it was basically style as desired. So just to go extra with the hairstyle, I clipped on those hair rings to my natural hair. At this point, you can accessorize with whatever it is you feel like accessorizing with. So this is it, guys. This is the look. Like, who would have been able to tell I'm on low cut? I mean, like low cut. Who would have been able to tell? I really doubt anyone would have been able to tell such. So obviously, even with being on low cut, I can still rock almost any bun style I want to rock. And I'm not using the word almost because there's any bun hairstyle I feel I'll be able to rock. I'm just using the word almost, just in case there's one out there that is not coming to my head and that I might not be able to rock. So guys, to my ladies on low cut, it's not the end of the story. You can still be comfortable on low cut because only we on low cut will be able to understand the comfort we get being on low cut. So now you still get to enjoy your comfort of not having any hair on your head, and then once in a while when you feel like being girly, you can still rock a girly hairstyle and still look good at it. So guys, and this kinky I used, it was just an old kinky that remained from a kinky twist wig I made. So I felt, okay, let me just do something with this. Let's not just go to waste totally. And that's the reason why I didn't do so much on it, like combing it out and all that stuff, because tomorrow I might want to use the kinky hair for something else. So that's why I just decided to be gentle on it and stuff like that. So we've come to the end of the tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I really do. Now if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video to those who think might like what you just saw. Till next time, guys, stay blessed, stay out of trouble, and as always, I love you all. Bye bye.